Hi, welcome back to Channel 9 News.
Where news comes fast, like lightning.
Of bolts. Now, we have a lot to show you today, so buckle in.
To your seatbelts.
In your car, because we have an action movie trailer.
Rum Rum.
Rum Rum. It's called Rum Rum, actually, so you see what we did there. It's got a lot of car scenes. It looks great. We're going to be showing you that trailer here shortly. Also, Chuck and Billy, they're back out. It was great having them last time. Fucking loved them.
Thank goodness.
Thank goodness they're back.
I love those boys.
Mm-hmm.
You know, who would you be if you were Chuck and Billy?
I would be no one. I wouldn't even be here, honestly, today. I would not be here.
They could be doing so much better. Those boys. Okay. What else do we have today?
We got Paper Airplane. James Lames, one of the top Paper Airplane YouTubers.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, he's out. We flew him out.
Oh, how'd he fly out? On a paper airplane, I bet.
No, on United Airlines, actually, is how he came out here.
Oh.
So he came out. He's going to be building paper airplanes for us today.
Broom, broom.
Yep. And it's going to be awesome. So let's jump right into it.
Whoo.
Critics are raving about Rum Rum. It's over now, Ontario.
No! Laramie!
That's it, Ontario! Come on out!
Yeah, right, Laramie!
I'll never win, Ontario!
You know what they say, Laramie? Spain never dies.
Rum Rum is the must-see film of the year. Ontario, you think one measly shot can kill me? Well, it can. Legends never die. And Chuck.
Billy Chuck Brothers Extraordinaire. Breaking glass ceilings and derrieres.
I'm Billy.
And I'm Chuck.
And I'm Billy.
And I'm Jizzy MC Chuck.
And I'm just Billy.
Hi guys!
Hey, what's up?
I'm Chuck.
And I'm Billy.
And we're the Muscle Boys.
Back at it again for another workout video.
First of all, thanks to 9 News for having us back.
It's been a pleasure, let me just say so myself.
Now, once we left, you're not going to believe this, Chuck and I's grandma
Fucking died.
She's gone.
It was actually really sad. She had Alzheimer's and she just had a stroke, and it just didn't work.
Anyway, we're gonna be back at you with some Muscle Boys
with some
here
ab
after the
workout,
break.
Ab workout this time, and we'll see you with the warm up.
Now for the chuck up. I'm gonna teach you how to apply baby oil.
Thanks for the warm up, Chuck.
No problem, Billy.
Hi, I'm Billy. Time for the hardcore ab treatment workout. First, you want to lay on your back, like so.
Where should your legs be, Billy?
It should be curved in a 90-degree angle, like this. Now, what you want to do, you want to take your arms, put them behind your head like this, like so. And you just want to push up. No, they start to get really difficult after the first few. Just stick with it. Try and get at least 10 done. Now you really start to feel the burn, and that's really what you want. So thank you for joining me. Me and Chuck.
Billy.
Chuck and Billy. Thanks for joining us on our ab workout. Now for the cool down.
First, take your best bro's hand.
Nature.
Intended it this way. 1 step forward, 1 step back.
Thanks for joining us on our cool down. We'll see you next time on the Chuck and Billy channel, only on Channel 9 News.
Where we smoke a little crack.
Yeah.
Billy, you're not gonna believe what this baby powder's been doing for my chafing.
What, dude?
It got rid of all of it.
Damn! Found it out.
Okay, so, anyway, how did you think the show was?
It was actually kind of awful, I'm not gonna lie. You can't be that honest with our viewers, man.
You gotta be honest.
We can't be that honest, though.
What
We can't know that part of our lives.
Why do you think people watch our show?
Because they want to get fucking ripped.
No! They watch it for the rock cold honesty.
There's no way they watch you, Chuck. They watch it because they want to get pumped up.
That's not even why, dude.
Why do we have a workout? Hey, what the fuck are you doing with that camera? Hi, my name is and here today we have James Lames. Let's give her. Hey, James Lames, good to have you.
Hey, good to be here.
So, what are you going to be doing for us today?
Today, I'm gonna be demonstrating my art, the art of my paper airplanes.
Cool. I'm sorry we don't have a bigger table for you. I was expecting, like, what you normally do, a small paper airplane, you know, with a normal piece of paper, but I think this will be great.
It's cool, you guys are amateurs. I get it.
We're not amateurs. We just didn't know.
Okay.
So, what are you going to be doing first?
Folding the paper.
Which way?
Both.
What do you mean?
Are you stupid or something? I mean...
Are you hot dog or hamburger style?
Hamburger, if you're still using that.
That's hot dog.
Not in Maine, dude.
They have long hamburger buns in Maine, I'll tell you what.
Okay, so first you fold it like this. Hot dog style.
Hamburger.
That is hot dog, sir. Okay, then what you're gonna want to do is...
So what are you doing right now, sir?
Oh man, you're getting on my nerves right about now. You better not say anything else.
Okay, sorry, sir. I won't.
Oh boy. You make some doggy ears. Just like so. This table's very difficult to work on, but you people at home, I hope, either have smaller paper...
You know what? Let's get you a bigger table. Here. Cut. I hope this table is better for you, sir. It's a little bigger.
Okay, so you're going to want to line your doggy ears up directly with the hamburger line.
Hot dog line.
I'm sorry, but this is a hamburger line.
All right, hamburger line it is.
Yeah, it is. Okay, then you're going to want to make another doggy ear like so. And then,
So why do you make two?
you know, you can let me finish.
All right, sir. I'm sorry. I feel like I couldn't really get the mic in properly, so we're coming down.
So then you fold it back hamburger style.
Hot dog style.
Hamburger.
Hot dog. Okay, yeah, it's definitely hamburger. It's hot dog.
Okay, so hamburger style with as you can see, it's starting to really come together, you know. At this point is about the time that you're going to want to draw on it. Anything you want. I'm not going to.
Do you want us to get you a marker?
No. So draw anything you want on the paper.
Are you sure you don't want a marker?
Absolutely, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Awesome.
Fuck! Party on.
We're good. Thanks for watching Channel 9 News. It's been a great time having you here. Make sure to tune in next week.
So next week we're going to be doing a segment on what are alligators?